and welcome back to one of Nita and Shenae's weekly little spiels from Lab Tree Care products. We are all a bit hectic down here at the moment. We're in the middle of a move, so at the time we made that decision, it seemed like a great decision. Now that Brisbane's got like a crazy heat wave on, it seems like a really bad decision because it is hot in our office, and our warehouse is even worse, and we have stuff everywhere, things are in boxes, we don't know where anything is. So yeah, if you're one of the poor people that's been trying to get us to do things and it's taking us forever, that will be why. Plus we're all kind of losing our mind in the heat, losing weight, which is exciting, but yeah, our mind's not such a good thing.
So please bear with us.
Yeah, that's right. So today may not be the most, I don't know, informative one you've ever received from us, but we'll give it a go anyway. So, talking about what we're going to chat about today, Shenae, what are you going to let us know about?
So, my product of the week is the antibacterial cleaning spray that we highly recommend when cleaning your Silky Saw or your secateurs or even a chainsaw. Like I said, it's a great antibacterial cleaning spray. It is 100% natural, 100% Australian owned and made. The base product is tea tree oil. So it's great for sap removal, just getting rid of any little bits and pieces from like trees, barks, anything. We'll slowly get rid of it. We'll quickly get rid of it. You just use a rag, spray it over, and then just clean the teeth out with the rag. It's also great for if you have fruit trees, or if you have any trees that have a little bit of disease on it or in it. You just give it a quick spray over with the Easy.
Your saw or your secateurs.
Oh yes.
Another tree.
give your saw a quick spray over, and then away you go. So this one is perfect, and yeah, it's great. And we also suggest a lanolin spray as well to give, once you clean your saw with the Easy, just to give the quick coat over, and happy days.
Yeah, so it's great to prevent any dirt build-up, sap build-up, or definitely rust on your blade, just so that you have them lasting as long as possible, because Silky Saws are brilliant, but keep them clean and they will last you a lot longer than they will if they're not clean. The other thing with that great product is, as Shenae mentioned, it's what we recommend for cleaning the saws and the secateurs and the different tools, but it actually has like a couple of other uses which is really great. So if you get like the bigger one that Shenae had, or you can even get it in like a 5 litre, you can actually just use it around the house too, because it's antibacterial and all natural. It's brilliant on like kitchen benches, shower screens, and because it's got an oil in it, it actually leaves like a tacky residue, so soap scum and stuff won't stick to it. So it's just like the best product. It's fantastic. Okay, so my turn. Oh, actually I forgot, I was going to show you a saw that was old, so I'll use that saw for my little section. So this is one of our demo Segoys. A lot of you may have used the saw. It's a brilliant Silky Saw, the Segoi. But it's quite an old one, this one, so you can sort of see from the case it's not exactly clean and not exactly new, but this is what a saw will look like. Like, I reckon this will be at least like 7 years old at least. And yeah, this has just been cleaned every few times after we've used it, and it still is beautiful and shiny, beautiful and sharp, and that's how your saws will look if you clean them with the Easy Cleaning Spray and put a nice protective lubricant on them. Alright, so as far as fixed saws and folding saws, Shenae, do you want to grab me a folding saw? So why would you choose a fixed saw versus a folding saw? Well, one of the reasons might be convenience. You might want a saw that the blade folds into the handle, because then you could tuck it in a backpack. You might be into hiking or survival, or you might want to put it in your pocket. So obviously a folding saw is the way you want to go. Now they come in a variety of lengths. You can get them as little as a 13 centimetre long blade, or as big as the massive 65 centimetre long blade. So those are ginormous. But yeah, it's more of a convenience thing. Now if you want a saw to use for business, so for every day, and you know that you're going to be a little bit rough on it, or you've got workers that might be rough on it, you really want to get yourself a fixed saw, because they are much stronger. Now when I say stronger, Silky do not make anything that are not strong. All of Silky saws are of the highest quality that you can get. Thank you, lovely assistant. But it's just the design basically. For a folding saw, the blade itself has to pivot on the screw here. So it has to stop here so that obviously it can turn it out. With a fixed, the blade's full tang, so it goes all the way into the back of the handle there. And actually you were going to grab the tsurugi to show them the full tang. So Shenae's going to zip out of the shop for a sec. But being full tang, it gives extra strength. And also when the blade does bend sort of backwards and forwards, that bending happens within the handle as well and prevents it from sort of snapping here. Now that's not to say you can't break a blade. I trust you're all very clever, and you can, if you push it or bend it far enough, you will eventually snap it. But it allows you to do that a lot more on a fixed saw than it does on a folding saw. Now, if you're using this correctly, you won't be bending it because all your pressure will be towards you, not away from you. But if you do put that forward pressure on there and you get it stuck in a cut, that's when you're going to bend it. So you're much better off to have a fixed saw if you think that might happen. And actually, a little side point that came up a little while ago, if you've used a Silky Saw for work or whatever, and then you go and get a fixed one, and then you get yourself a folding one, you've got to be careful because so many people out there in the industry do use them on the forward stroke without really realising they're doing it. Silkies are so sharp, so when you sort of use them backwards and forwards like this, you sometimes don't realise that you're actually putting pressure on the forward stroke, and a fixed saw can let you get away with that because it's got that extra strength. You have to put quite a bit of force on it to bend it and snap it. So if you go from using a fixed saw incorrectly by putting pressure on the forward stroke, then go and use a folding saw, that blade is going to break on you pretty quickly. So just be really careful of that and mindful. This is the tsurugi.
The example of a full tang blade is it's like you said, the tsurugi.
So this is a special one, the tsurugi. They've made it so it doesn't have any screws, so you can replace the blade really easy, but it's a good example of the full tang.
It's still super strong, but this is our perfect example. So you can notice that the blade continues going straight into the handle.
Yeah. So that's the basic difference between your fixed and folding. Fixed, the other thing with the fixed is the handles. They mold to the hand, so they all have a slightly different design, so depending on your hand size or what is your desired comfort, I guess. But some of them have a hook at the bottom so that it sort of hangs onto the hand. Others are a bit smoother through there. So yeah, depending on what you like, the handles on the fixed are a bit more molded and a bit more shaped. So I guess comfort and strength with your fixed, and your folding is convenience and just lifestyle, really. Yeah, storage. All right, well, I think that's it from us this week. If you guys want to know anything, please send us an email, silkysaws.com.au, social media, you can throw something up there. Otherwise, comment on this video, and yeah, we hope you've enjoyed it.
See ya.
Bye.